Hi, hello there, my name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to be doing a slay or nay. So basically a whole bunch of new stuff has been coming out and I want to talk about it. I'm going to talk about the things that are really catching my eye that I may possibly purchase, and also the things that are just not up my alley and the things that I will not be purchasing. And I do just want to remind you guys, these are just my opinions. These are all just products. They're not people. This is just how I feel about certain things. If you want to buy some of this stuff, that is totally fine. Do you, girl. Spend your money however you want. These are just things that I personally really like and things that I personally don't care about. Also, I did create this look and posted a little tutorial on it on my Instagram. I'll link my Instagram in the description box down below so you can check this out. I created this with the new Kylie Sailor palette, so if you want to see how to get this look, then check it out on my Instagram. I did film one of these videos about a month ago. Since then, a whole bunch of new stuff has come out, so it's time for another slay or nay video. Let me know if you guys like these videos, if you don't like these videos, because I could totally make this like a once a month sort of thing. Yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first thing on the list, this is something that I want really bad. This was just announced yesterday, and by the time this video goes up, it will be available. This is the new ColourPop Coral collection. I love yellow eyeshadows, I love brown eyeshadows, and I also love pinky coral toned eyeshadows. I love pinky coral toned blushes. I love it. It looks really good on me. So I'll be buying this. I for sure will be purchasing this. This is so pretty. The blush looks beautiful. It just looks so stinking cute. I want it. I did purchase the last three ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. All the last three ColourPop eyeshadow palettes have been some sort of plant related, so I really like that they're sticking with the whole vibe of plants and stuff. So I'm really excited to try out this ColourPop Coral palette. I did film videos with the Garden Variety and the Little Ray of Sunshine palette. I will link the videos of me using these palettes in the description box down below in case you want to check them out. But I will for sure be getting this Coral collection and filming a video on it because I love ColourPop. I love their formula. Enough said. I want the Coral collection. And some people might try to argue
ColourPop's coming out with too much stuff way too fast.
You have to remember that they were totally out of production for months due to the big Rona. So they're probably just trying to play catch up with all of these palettes, and that's why they're releasing them so quickly. But I understand. And I'm super excited to pick up the Coral palette. Okay, so next up on our list, Makeup Revolution is collabing with Friends. I'm one of those basic bitches that absolutely loves Friends. I've watched every single episode at least 5 times. It's so bad. Whenever I can't sleep at night or something, I put on Friends and I'll fall asleep to Friends.
It's weird.
I know, don't
Judge me.
well, judge me kindly, but all they've released is like a little tiny picture of a Friends mirror that looks like the door frame in Monica and Rachel's apartment. Hi, hello, this is Editing Kayla. I don't think we've met yet, but hi, hello there. So, I filmed this video yesterday. After I was done filming this video, Makeup Revolution released more pictures of the Friends collection that they'll be releasing. They'll be releasing, it looks like 4 eyeshadow palettes and 3 lipsticks. I just wanted to mention that in this video. The makeup world is ever changing. Sometimes you have to cut in with little editing versions of yourself. So just thought I'd mention that. Thank you, and here's your scheduled programming. I'm so excited for this collab to come out. When it comes out, you know I will be buying it. I'm probably gonna buy
everything
from this collab because I love Friends and I also love Makeup Revolution. I recently just did a video using only Makeup Revolution products. I will link that video in the description box down below as well. But I love Makeup Revolution. They have really good stuff and I'm super excited to see what they come out with the whole Friends collab. Maybe this will save 2020. Maybe. Probably not. But I'm really excited to see what they come out with. Alright, next up on our list, Charlotte Tilbury is releasing the Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize palette. This palette will retail for £60. So probably in the $60-$70 range. It includes 12 shades inspired by the world's most brilliant gems.
That's fancy.
Encased in a dazzling silver starburst case with matte shimmery shades and 2 new soft shimmer wet look metallic formulas. This eyeshadow palette, it is pretty. Is it basic? Yeah. Is it still beautiful? Yes. It is really, really pretty. Do I need it?
No.
Am I gonna buy it? No. But if like someone were to give it to me, would I reject it? Hell no. No, no, no. Nope. But I don't need it and I'm not gonna buy it. Alright, so next up, Morphe collabed with Madison Beer for an eyeshadow palette. It looks like some shimmery sprays, some lip glosses, and a brush set. This palette is pretty. I don't need it. I just don't. I don't know who Madison Beer is. I know she's a singer-songwriter, but I've never heard any of her songs, but she's really pretty. I don't know. I'm not with the times, I guess. Anyways, I'm not gonna be purchasing this palette. It is pretty. I don't need it and I'm not gonna buy it. Next up, the Kardashians are releasing new perfumes. You have Ruby for Kourtney, Emerald for Kim, and Sapphire for Khloe. So these are like gem sort of themed perfumes. They look nice. I don't want them. I'm not gonna buy them. Okay, so next up we have the Pat McGrath Supreme lipstick. This is really pretty. I love the packaging on it. It's a really pretty red color. I mean, it's all around a gorgeous lipstick, and you know it's gonna be a
Bomb.
because it's Pat McGrath. This is definitely like a collector sort of vibe. Do I want it? Yeah, I really do. This lipstick launched September 10th and it is exclusively for Supreme stores. So I don't think you can pick it up at Sephora or anything like that. This lipstick is super beautiful, but I don't need it. I do want it. I'm not gonna buy it. Next up, we have Stephanie Lang collabed with Sigma for the Essentials palette. This palette is really pretty. Is it kind of basic? Yes. Do I want it? Yes. This palette contains a mirror, 9 soft eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes, and 2 light to dark bronzers and a lustrous highlighter. It is vegan and cruelty free. This came out September 10th, and let's see here. It doesn't say how much it is. And it's $48. Okay, so that means it's more expensive than the Kylie Sailor palette. I don't know how I feel about that. It is really pretty. Stephanie Lang, I've watched a couple of her videos. She seems like super nice, super sweet, really pretty. I don't need this palette. It's really cute. I'm not gonna buy it. Nay, nay. Okay, so next up, I don't know how I feel about this. Makeup Eraser collabed with SpongeBob.
Hi, how are you?
And is releasing a 7-day makeup eraser set. You have all of the characters on individual makeup erasers. I really don't know how I feel about this. I kind of like it. You get 7 of them for $25. I don't think that's a bad deal. Do I really want to like scrub my face with plankton? Or Squidward? I don't know. If these were like gifted to me, I would be super happy about it, but I don't need these and I'm not gonna buy them, but they are kind of cool. Who is makeup eraser marketing for? You would think they'd be marketing for people like in their late 20s to 40s. This is like I don't know about you, but when I think of SpongeBob, I think of my little brother when he was like 5 years old, addicted to SpongeBob. When I think of SpongeBob, I think of little kids, not really grown-ups, but you know what? That is totally fine. Like I said earlier, you can spend your money however you want to. If I had all the money in the world, would I probably buy these? Yeah, but I don't need them and I'm not gonna buy them. Ooh, okay, so Kimchi Chic. I love Kimchi Chic. I've tried out a whole bunch of her products. I filmed a whole video on that. I'll link that in the description box down below as well. Spoiler alert, loved them all. Anyways, so I'm super excited about this. Kimchi recently dropped a Candy Girl fake freckle pen. It retails for $15 and I'm gonna buy this. I love fake freckles. I do fake freckles every single time I do my makeup. I love fake freckles. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna test it out. Enough said. Okay, so I'm sorry if this gets a little ranty, but I don't know how I feel about this. Right now, as I'm filming this, today is September 10th. Do we really need holiday stuff coming out right now? Like, do we need that? Like, can we just slow down? Pump the brakes, slow your roll, stop. Now, with that being said, there's this KVD Vegan Beauty palette coming out and it is stunning. I love the packaging on it. I love the shimmer shades inside of it. When I first saw this, it really caught my attention and I want it. It says it's not going to be available until October, which I'm totally fine with that. As long as it's not coming out like right now in September, too early. However, this is coming out in October. It is really, really pretty. I haven't used Kat Von D. I haven't used KVD Vegan Beauty Cruelty-Free Vegan. Did I mention they were vegan eyeshadows in a super long time, and I really want this palette. I want it. Here's another palette that I really, really, really want. This is the Natasha Denona Soft Glam palette. When I first saw this, I nearly fell backwards. I was blown away. It is so pretty. I want this really bad. I've watched a couple people do reviews on it and I still want it. The packaging is so beautiful. I've never tried out any Natasha Denona eyeshadows. This eyeshadow palette contains 16 shades and retails for $65. That's a little less expensive than some of Natasha Denona's other eyeshadow palettes. However, you're getting a few less shades, but kind of like a cool toned neutral brown palette. Right up my alley. This is so pretty. I really want it. I don't need it. I might buy it. Ooh. Okay, so Melt came out with these really pretty like honeybee highlighters. What are they even called? The Digital Dust Duo blushes. Okay, so they're blushes. You have Queen Bee, Raw Honey, and Buzzkill. These are gorgeous. The packaging is gorgeous. The shades are gorgeous. Everything about these are gorgeous. What's not gorgeous is that $39 price tag. You heard that right. $39. These are super pretty though, and if I had all the money in the world, I would buy them. I would buy them. You can buy all of them for $125. They're pretty. I don't need them. I'm not gonna buy them. Okay, here's another brand where it's like, with the makeup eraser, who is your target audience? Like, this one, however, I can see a little bit more clearly with. Pure Cosmetics has collaborated with Barbie. Yeah, like that Barbie. Yeah, Barbie. And they have released, it looks like a setting spray, some really pretty brushes, some lip glosses, and a highlighter, 2 highlighters, a loose highlighter and a regular highlighter, some really pretty lipsticks, a blush palette, and an eyeshadow palette. Not gonna lie, this eyeshadow palette looks stunning. I really like it. I want the Barbie eyeshadow palette, okay? You have a really pretty like mustardy sort of yellow in there. Pretty pinks and orange, some brown, some shimmers. This is a really pretty palette and I want it. Do I need it? No. Am I gonna buy it? Maybe if it goes on sale, maybe. However, this eyeshadow palette does retail for $34. That is not too bad, but still I don't, there's other things I have on my radar that are just Yeah, I don't need this. I'm not gonna buy it. Sorry, Barbie. Okay, so here's a palette that just launched that I did buy and is on the way here right now. This is the Nikki Tutorials X Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette. This baby is
stunning.
I'm so happy I got my hands on it. It should be here on Tuesday, I believe, and I will be filming a video with this palette. This palette, is it still available? Hold, please. Okay, it looks like it's out of stock. So it is currently sold out. This palette was $30, which I think is a really good deal. You get 20 shades and you have some nice neutrals, some really bright pops of colors, some shimmer and glitter shades. So I'm really happy I was able to get this. I will be filming a video using it, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so back on the topic of holidays, you have Becca releasing some highlighters for the holidays. A lot of different highlighters for the holidays. You have highlighter ornaments, highlighter palettes, highlighter trios, liquid highlighter. Gonna light the place up, I guess. I don't know. I don't need any of these and I'm not gonna buy them. But yeah, I don't need them and I'm not gonna buy them. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you planning on purchasing any of these things? Are you passing on them? Are you slaying them? Are you naying them? What do you think about these things? If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye. No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke, your love life's the away.